In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a shared Google Drive folder. Now, in order to do that, what we can do is we can click onto this new page into your actual Google Drive. This will open all of these options. What we can do in this case is to click onto this new folder, or we can also click on the Alt C then F in order to do this. You have those two options. Now in here, you can just rename this folder. So for example, name it Meeting Agenda. Now, once that folder has been created, you can see it right here. What we can do is we can click onto this icon right here, which is actually the share icon. Now you can just input right here the name or the email of the people that you want to share it with. For example, let's add in here my other account. And then from in there, you can just click on the enter and you can choose their role, which can be viewer, commenter, or editor. You can also notify them and add them a message for this. Once you're done, click on the send option and then this should be able to send that. So that's how you create a shared Google Drive folder. Hope we helped.